Very good. Needed a little throttle. He released the throttle in the turn. Good thing he had some momentum. This rider appears to be going too fast to make that turn. Sure enough, he was. Way too fast, right? You were going about 15 miles an hour. That's too fast. Older gentleman on the Gold Wing. Wasn't pretty, but he did it. He told me during the break he's 103. Okay, I just made that up. Here's our poster child for head and eyes. Give me a better head turn. I want a better head turn. I saw you looking over there. I saw you doing it. If you would turn your head, it would work better. Even our best rider, he looked over there and that's where he went. Slow down, slow down. Was there a cockroach on the ground there you were killing? Yeah. A little slower as you're coming in. It's about 8 miles an hour. You got time even to look at your speedometer and make sure it's under 10.
All right.
You're looking at that cone. You want to stare at my cones? I'll give it to you. Take it home. Put it on the mantelpiece and stare at it there. Not turning his head.